Happy Monthsary.
Happy Monthsary.
Happy Monthsary.
Wow, grabe. Para tayong nagkaroon ng new baby project.
In the form of our
Podcast.
Sunday's Best podcast.
Alright. Ang galing, no? 6th episode na natin as of today. Grabe. Congrats.
Congratulations.
We have to pat each other's shoulders, our back, kasi sobrang DIY ang mga podcast namin. And we've started all from scratch.
Yeah. We were just inspired by our friends na nagsimulang gumawa ng podcast, and they are now making waves in terms of really adding value to a lot of people dito sa platform na to. And syempre kami gusto rin namin na yung platform na ganito magamit natin sa ating mga inspiring messages.
Yes, and 1 month into it, Val, how do you feel?
I feel happy, and I'm so proud about myself. Of course, ourselves, that we finally said yes to doing this.
Yes, tagal-tagal din, no? Kumbaga, marami nang sabi na, mag-podcast na, and we didn't really jump into it right away. But finally, last month, kaya 1 month ago, we started our podcast. So,
parang ang tagal na rin, no? Kahit na 1 month pa lang.
Ang dami kasing nangyari. Daming struggles.
Ang dami nangyari. Speaking of struggles, sige daw, ano daw to mga struggles na napagdaanan natin over the past month?
For sure, di ba? Yung struggle natin is really starting it, and yung mic natin, yung audio, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang yun kasi yung hindi natin talaga alam yung technicalities.
No? So, umabot dun sa point minsan na hindi pala naka-capture kasi naka-mute yung mic, di ba? Pangalawa, hindi masyadong maganda yung reception ng audio natin, basag, di ba?
So hindi natin alam paano i-mix.
Paano siya i-mix, paano i-ayusin yung mga noise reduction diyan.
Yeah.
Buti na lang meron tayong kaibigan na tumulong din sa atin.
Yes, diba? And naalala mo yung time na nag-shoot tayo tapos nag-slow-mo siya. Sabi ko, shucks, ang dami-dami nating sinabi. Yun pala, slow-mo yung video natin.
Hindi ko rin alam kung paano nangyari doon. But definitely, it has something to do with the settings ng camera.
Yeah, and nung first few episodes natin, nasa sala tayo nag-shoot. Ang ganda ng setup, yes. Pero yung sound ng aso, sound ng mga bata,
mga
sound ng mga
sa
plato.
Kusina, plato.
Na-capture
Lahat,
din, diba? So, wow, that was a fail.
Totoo. And there was even a time na naglobat yung camera natin, di ba? Na salita tayo ng salita. Wala na palang video, di ba?
Kaya really frustrating.
We just made use of the audio.
Yeah, and there was one time na mali pala yung SD card na ginamit natin. So, we had to go back to the shop.
Tama.
Di ba? Nagalit pa ako dun sa person. Parang, ano ba yan? Hindi pala to tama yung SD card kasi wala tayong kaalam-alam. So, yes, we had to go back and buy the right SD card.
Yeah, to properly record our video para magkaroon tayo ng video podcast katulad nito, di ba?
Correct. So, dami-dami pala tayong struggles.
Ang dami na rin mga struggles, no? And buti na lang, karamihan ito mga technicalities lang.
Yeah, labor pains.
Yes. Pero at the same time, alam ko na nagkaroon din tayo ng mga challenges in terms of the content that we want to put out, di ba?
Yes.
So, there were a lot of times that we really had to passionately discuss kung ano yung mga content na gagawin natin for a particular week.
That's one way of saying it in a nice way.
Yes.
Passionately argue pala. Kasi gusto ni Val na ganito yung way, and gusto ko na itong tema ng usapan. But yeah, finally we came to an agreement na dapat ganito, mellow, chill, and really being aligned to our values and the way we want it to happen, diba?
Yeah, at the same time, relax and comfortable lang. It's really more about conversing based on our experiences.
But one thing, Val, that I'm really, really proud of is just starting it, even if hindi natin alam how to go about it.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kahit
Yun
na merong mga, first time jitters pa, na nagbabasa yung kamay,
Correct.
di ba? Habang
Oo.
hinahawakan yung
Kilikili. Kamay lang ba?
di ba? So, parang ano din siya eh. Parang yung public speaking na live, di ba?
Yes.
There are those moments na parang nakakatakot siyang simulan, pero the moment na masimulan pala siya,
Oo.
it's gonna be
Get used
natural
to it.
lang.
You
Yeah,
get
it gets
used
used
to
to it. So, ako proud din ako sa sarili ko na na I just went on with it, di ba?
Yeah.
Considering that I'm a very analytical person, gusto ko sana na ayos muna lahat, pero
Perfect
sometimes
agad. Perfect
ano
lahat.
sometimes you really just need to do it.
Yes, and honestly, during the time that we started it, learning our way through it, doon natin mas nakilala yung isa't isa.
Tama.
I mean, in another level, 'di ba? Kasi may mga, 'di ba, naalala mo yung isang episode na umiyak ka, tapos sabi ko, hala, hindi mo man sinabi sa akin yan. Yun pala yung
Tama.
reason kung bakit hindi kayo nagse-celebrate ng Christmas. And doon lang siya lumabas kasi parang napag-usapan natin, no? And
Yep, mas lumalim yung usapan and nagkaroon ako ng introspection about the topic.
correct. And parang, imagine 20 years na kami married. 20 years na tayo married. And hindi mo naman siya nasabi kasi hindi naman natin siya napag-uusapan talaga. I mean, it's just natural for us to celebrate Christmas. Yun pala, when you were still young, may mga ganun palang mga situations in your family na dun lang natin na-unveil nung nag-episode tayo around Christmas.
Tama. And yun din yung na-appreciate ko na ginagawa natin to ngayon. Because yun nga parang unti-unti merong mga stones in our lives na ngayon lang natin na-turn.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi mo naman siguro ina-expect lahat na naikwento ko na sa'yo lahat nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo,
Correct.
diba? So,
Oo.
it's really a process of getting to know each other.
Yes, and yung conflict resolution natin.
Tama.
'Di ba? Parang
Mas nagmo-move siya to the next level.
yes, and when one time when we were talking about content and parang naging sensitive yung issue, sensitive yung pag-uusap natin, doon din kami nagkaroon ng argument around it. And the best way to just resolve it is na-discover din natin how to go about it, 'di ba?
Right. So, it's very important. Ako, ang na-realize ko, na dito sa ginagawa natin ngayon, of course, we've been working together
Yes.
in the same business, in the same industry for quite a while. Tapos, eto, meron panibagong baby na naman tayo, di ba, na
Project.
magkasama na naman tayo. May panibagong project tayo. And this is bringing our relationship to the next level. And yeah, sabi mo nga na there are certain concerns or
Yes.
issues or certain topics na nagka-come out sa atin
Yes,
between the two of
yes.
us, and ngayon pa lang natin na nare-realize or nakikilala ang isa't isa dun sa aspeto na yon. And more than that siguro, it's really being able to parang blend together in this new platform.
Yes. Oo, tama. And siguro for us, Val, one thing that I'm also very proud of is really to ask for support. Diba? Kasi tayo naman dalawa, we've been really doing things on our own as a
Yep.
couple. And yet, itong ginagawa natin na to, itong podcasting, this is something really new for us. And one thing na ginawa natin dito is we ask for support. Hindi
Right.
tayo naging proud na ay kaya natin to, but really humble enough, open enough to ask for support from people who've done it ahead
Yep.
of us. And even yung audio mixing, 'di ba? Parang we have a friend, si Neil, he's into DJing and he's magaling siya sa mga audio na ganyan.
Shout out to Neil Recinto.
Shout
DJ
out.
Neil.
'Di ba? I mean, asking for support na, Neil, tulungan mo naman kami. Kasi hindi natin alam how to go about it.
Right.
And that's, for me, I'm proud about myself na being open to ask for support from other people.
Exactly. And speaking of support, hindi lang naman yung sa audio, di ba?
Yes.
Even yung mga preliminaries na kailangan natin gawin. We also ask support, di ba? Like for
Yes.
example, yung podcast art natin.
Oo.
I'm
Hiring people
I'm
to
so
really...
thankful
Yeah.
na the creativity of Gold is actually there.
diba?
Diba?
Oh.
So, Of course, yung ating mentor dito sa podcasting, no other than
Yes.
Mr. Alec Cuenca.
Oo
diba?
naman.
Who really inspired us and pushed us to start
Oo.
it.
Naalala ko, tinanong niya tayo. Ako. So, Kathy, kailan mo ba talaga gustong i-release to or mag-launch? And 'di ba parang kasi nag-attend tayo ng workshop and siguro dun sa mga kasama natin,
Yep.
hindi ko alam kung nag-start sila ng podcast, pero one thing is for sure, alam ko na nag-workshop tayo, nag-pay tayo ng fee, how to go about it. And sa mind ko talaga, hindi, magre-release talaga tayo ng podcast. Pero we didn't know how to go about it. Nung tinanong niya tayo, ako na, kailan natin to ilo-launch? Oh my gosh. Na
Put on the spot.
na-put on the spot ako, na kailangan talaga maglabas tayo ng podcast before the year ends. And good thing, yun nga, sabi mo nga, na-push tayo to do it. Kasi kung hindi tayo hiningan or wala tayong accountability with Alec.
Alec.
baka nag-end na tong 2022, hindi pa rin tayo nakapag-launch.
Tama, di ba? So, thank you dun sa mga tao na nag-support sa amin to really start this off.
Yes.
And I'm sure marami pa tayong pagsasamahan in terms of this kind of support system, di ba? To of course, to improve the way that we are bringing our message of inspiration across.
And buti na lang, Val, na nag-yes tayo.
Yep.
Nag-yes tayo dito sa baby project natin. Kasi right now, we are enjoying it.
Exactly.
And the other day, nung sabi nga ni Val na parang, konti pa lang yung nakikinig, diba? Kung I don't care, diba? Nung nagsimula naman tayo, hindi naman natin inisip na we'll be, competing with anyone or kailangan isipin natin yung rating natin agad,
Yep.
diba? Ang pinaka-idea was really just to start it, to simulan lang siya. And malay mo, 'di ba, kung darating tayo dun sa mga rating na ganyan, well and good.
Yeah. The most important thing is we are able to use this platform
Yes.
to really bring our message out there.
Yeah.
Pangalawang benefit na nakita ko and what I'm really proud of is really being able to get out of our comfort zone.
Yes.
Itong mga technicalities na to, of course, pwede naman to na i-hire, di ba? Or kumuha ng intern, ganyan.
Yes.
But the good thing about it, since we said yes kaagad and we want the urgency to bring our podcast out already, ginawa natin.
Yes.
So, tayo mismo, natuto ako mag-edit, natuto ako mag-setup, natuto ako magpaganda ng ng audio. So, this is another level for me.
Yeah.
But of course, siguro, given the chance, probably this 2023, bringing it to the next level, we'll be able to put up a team already
Yes.
that will be able to support
For
us.
sure, yun ang what I'm excited for para dito sa podcast natin, itong
Tama.
baby project natin. And speaking of, sabi mo nga, putting ourselves out there, Val, it's really, having this space for couples, parents, families, and everyone in between to learn with each other, learn from us, learn from you guys as well, and really having this community of like-minded
Right.
people, bringing couples and families together, even parenting, diba? Better parenting. And that's what this podcast is all
really all
about,
about.
right? And why we started it in the first place.
Tama. So,
ang tanong,
sa kabila nitong lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin, would you still consider doing more episodes for our podcast in Sunday's Best?
ang tanong, Val, why not, diba?
Tama.
Because at the end of the day, nag-enjoy na tayo. We are learning from each other. We're learning from other people. Why not, diba? And nothing to lose. Just go get it. Just do it. Malay mo, pagdating ng December 31, 100 episodes na tayo.
Ang sarap naman yan, di ba? Na pagdating ng end of 2023, mabibilang na natin yung talaga, mga
OMG,
episodes na nagawa natin.
anxiety.
But it's more than the numbers. It's really the quality of episodes that we'll be able to bring out
Quality
there.
of conversations that we're going to
Conversations,
bring in
yeah.
together, learn from each other, and of course, yung pinaka-excited ako, having that community, Val, na we can create together through this podcast.
So, challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
Patuloy pa rin ang episodes, patuloy
Ikaw.
pa rin ang podcast.
G?
G!